am not going to be sectioning off my hair at all, and I'm not going to be brush styling. I'm just going to be using my hands, but you do want to make sure that your hair is completely detangled. And I like to start on hair that's like dripping, soaking wet, so it's not quite as wet as I'd like. So I'm going to take a spray bottle and just wet it down a little bit more, and I might have to do this a couple times during the routine just because I like the way that my curls turn out better doing it this way when my hair is completely soaking wet. I'm just going to be using 2 products for this routine, and starting with the Bounce Curl Thermal Guard Weightless Leave-In Conditioner. This is brand new. This is probably like the 3rd time I've used this, and I really like this product a lot. It's super lightweight, but it's really hydrating. But it is like, it's a part of Bounce Curl's new weightless collection, and it really does feel weightless in the hair. And it also has heat protection, which we love because for this routine I am going to be turning up my diffuser, so it is important to have some heat protection. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. I really love that leave-in conditioner. It's like the perfect texture. Like, my hair feels really silky, but also like airy and weightless. It doesn't feel oily at all. Some leave-in conditioners can like really weigh my hair down. The next product I'm going to use is gel. This one is also from the new Bounce Curl line. This video is not sponsored. I've just been really enjoying these products. This is a medium hold gel, and the texture of it is like super interesting. It's like this really like gummy, very slippy gel, which is really great for this type of styling because it allows your fingers to really glide through the hair, and you're not going to get any breakage or any snags when you're raking the product through. And it has a really nice medium hold that's buildable. So I love a gel where I can keep applying it until I feel like my hair has enough. And yeah, it's really great. I've been really enjoying this. My hair with this product is so shiny and bouncy and voluminous. I can't wait for you guys to see the final results with these 2 products. But I take about this much to start with, and I'm just gonna start raking it in my hair. God, I love the texture of this. It just like glides through the hair, which is my preference for gels. Like, I love like a good runny, slippy gel that actually provides hold. Like, my favorite is the Weedad Stronger Hold Gel. I'm not a fan of like super gummy, like really sticky, stiff gels, just because I don't like the way it feels in my hair. And I like to like rake some product into my roots as well, just to like help with frizz up there. And just remember to be gentle, because when you're raking, I mean, even if you decide to brush style, anything that we're doing to manipulate the hair can cause breakage. My favorite way to get volume and to encourage my hair to curl at the roots is to finish styling upside down. So I'm going to apply a lot more gel upside down, and then I'm going to scrunch my hair until my hair stops dripping. Now that we're flipped upside down, I'm going to take more gel and I'm going to start applying it upside down. And I just like to do praying hands for this. I usually do this over my bathtub, not to make like a total mess, or you can put a towel down. Okay, and then I'm going to take my hands and get my hair up off of my scalp, just to make sure that like my roots aren't flat. Then I'm just going to keep scrunching until my hair stops dripping. And at this point, if you want to speed up the drying process even more, you can take a t-shirt or a microfiber towel and either plop your hair or micro plop, where you just like squeegee out the excess water. That does remove a little bit of product, and when I do that, I find I do get a little bit of excess frizz, so I am just going to go straight into diffusing. If you don't know how to diffuse your hair, I have a full tutorial and I'm going to link it in the caption. I have a little bit of a gel cast that I'm going to scrunch and smooth out. I'm going to use the Fable & Mane Shine Oil. I really love this stuff because it's lightweight. You only need a couple drops and it smells really good, so it almost doubles as like a perfume. And I just like to gently kind of focus this on my ends and then like scrunch out any crunchy feeling. The most important part is to flip over and get into your roots and make sure none of that gel is like sticking on top. This is what the curls are looking like. They are so defined and juicy, and those products really feel so lightweight in the hair. My hair just feels so airy. And yeah, I love an easy, lazy, curly hair routine. Comment below if you have any lazy, curly hair hacks to share with everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.